Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I'm sorry about that, but things just got crazy last week with having to homeschool all the kids. And so, anyway, I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you're all healthy and safe. I thought today I have a lot of cleaning I need to do because, well, we've just been here all day, every day, and everybody makes messes. So I'm gonna take you along with cleaning, and then I thought I would just throw in a little cooking with me. I'm not very good at cooking, but I'm gonna make a soup tonight that's really good, and I thought I would show that to you. So if you like cleaning with me, just give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully this motivates you to clean some things. Anyway, let's get going. machine because I am making some pillow covers out of these tea towels. If you want to see how I do this, I have a whole video and I'll link it in the description box below, but if I put this away, I won't make them. But I also wanted to show you this cute little bunny that I got in the mail today from Pottery Barn. I got 2 different sizes, but only one came today. The reason I'm sharing with you this with you, oh my gosh, I can't talk, is because it was so cheap and it was free shipping. So I got this one and another one, like a really tall one, for $20 or something. But look how cute he is. So I will leave those in the linked also if they are still available. I got them a few weeks ago or maybe last week. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you that really quick. So you're like, why is she leaving her sewing machine out? That is why. And I'm going to show you one of the pillows that I've made in just a second. Okay, everything's clean, but I wanted to show you those pillows I was talking about. This is it right here. How cute. So I will link these below. These are from Studio McGee, Target. This is a napkin, and then I'll link these also. They came back in stock, so if you want to check them out, perfect for spring and summer, I think. I'm still trying to find something to go here. I have not found exactly what I'm looking for. But and then I just have over here, you've seen these white pillows from Hobby Lobby before. Still have out my ironing board, sewing, my pillows. But I also did a Target pickup order today, and look at what I got myself. So I'm gonna try some recipes out of here. Just look how beautiful this book is. Like, even if you never cooked, it's like just the beautiful to look at. And it's also really pretty to display too, because look how pretty the spine of it is. I kind of wish that the other one was that color. I'm sorry, I sound terrible. I can hardly breathe. But anyway, so cute. I'll link that if you guys want to check it out. It came out today. Don't mind this mess. I'm waiting for a dog bed. So a funny kind of story about her is if she doesn't have somewhere, her own space, then she's vicious and she fights with my other dog. So for now, this is the time being, I'm gonna order one on Amazon. It just says it won't ship till like June. So for now, we have this ugly thing my husband made her. So anyway, everything's cleaned up. Now I think I'm going to start some dinner. Kids are running around. So I have way too much footage to add the cooking into this. It would be like an hour long and nobody wants to watch that. So I am going to, and honestly, Don't hate me, but I'm just not feeling like I want to cut up a bunch of vegetables and do all that tonight. But I will film it. It's like my favorite recipe ever, and I'll film it when I cook it later on in the week and post that for you. I know like these videos, like I told you, aren't going to be all home decor, but I hope you'll still stick around and hang out with me. Speaking of hanging out, I want to still do a live video. I just haven't figured out how to do it. I know it's so hard, but I was thinking that if I get enough of you that want to join me, I could do it on Facebook Live, because I do know how to work that. So anyway, let me know in the comments below. And I hope that this motivates you to clean. I know when we have a clean house, especially right now with everybody home, it makes the world of difference. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Come back in a couple days for a new video, and I'll see ya. Take care. I can't breathe.